Welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to get a real vintage muscle saw. This is the Homelite 650 Super. You don't see many of the Supers around. They were made just 1 year. And they're just between the 650 and the 750, and they were mostly experimental saws used on the West Coast. There was a few that got out other places. 100cc motor, and capable of running up to a 50-inch bar. This one features a 36-inch 404 sprocket nose bar and chain. And we'll take a close-up look at some of the features on this saw. Kill switch is right there, easy to get at. Manual override for the pump is right here. It has an automatic oiler plus a manual override. It does have a compression release right here. Little lever you pull back. That decompresses the cylinder. Decompressions the cylinder, makes it easier to start. Choke is on the right side over here. This lever right here. Has taken a hit with the limb right here and taken out a part of the clutch cover. It's got the big double dogs, large falling spikes. And here's a great feature I always like to point out for the steel guys. Side adjust for the bar tensioner. Right here, loosen the two bar nuts up. Right there on the side, the bar tensioner. This was made popular by Homelite, and then Steel got the idea and used it. Got that nice wrap handlebar. And the oil reservoir fill is right here, and the gas reservoir is right here. And it's just a big vintage chainsaw, big muscle saw. And it's been setting for years. If you're going to use this for cutting firewood, you're going to have to do a little tune-up on it. Great show saw, a little tinkering, you got you a very powerful wood saw. We will go outside and make a cut with this one.